After creating tensors, now we would like sometimes you would like to get some values or access some specific elements or column rows from the tensor itself. And to do so, we have to use let's see, you can use it as if you are familiar with NumPy. It's almost the same as it's in a torch. And let's see, for instance, we have this tensor here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is the tensor is 3 by 3. As you can see, this is the first column, I mean row, this is the second row, this is the third row. So in this case, we have 3 by 3 tensors. And if we would like, for instance, to get specific elements, for instance, I need the value of 3, I mean 0 and 1. So the 0 and 1, it's, let me just draw this here, for instance, if we can see this one here. So if you see here, this is 0, 0. This is 0, 1, 0, 2. And here 0, 0, 0, 1, uh, uh, 1, 0, and 2, 0. This is the row and this is the column. Hopefully this is clear. Now to get this element, for instance, from 0, 1, it starts with row and this one is the column. For instance, if we would like to get 0, 1, I will start with 0, it's the column, the row 0, it will be here, and 1. So it will be, this is 0 and this is 1. It will be 0.65. If I would like to have 0, 2, it will be, this is the 0 and here we have 2. 0, 1, 2. And if we would like to have 2 by 2, I mean 2, 2, you can go to the second column, row 0, 1, 2, and the second, the column is 0, 1, 2. It will be, I mean 2 by 2, it will be 0.31. And if you would like, sometimes you would like to specific element in the column 0, for instance, in row 0, column 1. So we'll get exactly the same element. But sometimes you would like to get the entire row. So for instance, you get the row, let me just click here, and it will be, I think, clear. So you can see here, this is a row 1, row 2, row 3, and of course, column 1, column 2, column 2 of column 3. And if you would like to exact value 0, 1, it will be 2, because 0, 1 is this one here, 2. And if you would like sometimes to get the entire row, so for instance here I get row 0, give me a row 0, it will give you the whole row. You can see here 1, 2, 3. And sometimes you would like to get the column 1, for instance the column 1, you can see column 1 is 0, 1 is 2, 5, 8. This is how to get indexing from the to get the values from the tensor itself. And let me just show you this here. It's somehow a figure. So this is the original tensor, let's see. And element 0, 1, it will be this one here. And if you would like to get the column 1, it will be this one here. Which is just as a visualization. I think that's it for today. And if you have any question, just drop it down in the comment below. And by the way, you can also get specific, let's see, not the whole values, but for instance, let's see, I have this row here. And let me just create a new cell. And what we see here, this will create, we need to print, let's see, row. So we have see 1, 2, 3. And if I see, I would like just the row, but to the second element. So you can see it will just print you this and this. So wait a minute. Let's see. I mean, just need to make it clear. So as I said, This one will give you the entire column, the entire row, because we add here 0. And sometimes you have only, you are interested in a specific values. For instance, if you have a tensor from 0 to 10, and you are just interested in the first values, the first, let's see, two values, you can just see, give me the 2, and here we can see row, print row. Okay, we need to have print. Sometimes it's auto completed and sometimes not. So this is the entire row, and this is the entire, this is the only the second values. And by the way, if you see here, I'm identify this from the row 0 and give me till 2. 2, it's not n. As you see here, this is 0, 1, 2. And but the output, it's only 1 and 2. So as you can see, this 2 here, it's exclusive. So it's not inside the retrieval point. And if you see this, if you see, if you have, just give me the 1, so it will give you only one value, 0. And the 1, it's not included. That's it for today. And if you have any question, just drop it out in the comment below.